In this short video, I'm gonna talk about 3 best ways to ask for a promotion or to ask a pay raise at your job. The way that you ask for that promotion is gonna play a huge role, either positively or unfortunately negatively, whether or not you get that promotion or a different position. By the way, if you find this video helpful, make sure you click that subscribe button, and all the links to everything we mentioned, you can find them linked in the description box below. Let's jump into it. Trick number 1, don't go on there with a sob story. Hey boss, is there any way that I can get a pay raise? I really need to pay my monthly bills, please. Instead, start with gratitude, overview your achievements, and market value. Hey boss, thank you so much for your time. To be honest, I've really enjoyed working with the team. Over the past X months, I've been able to deliver X, Y, and Z, and I've received the following feedbacks. I've looked at comparable roles in companies similar to ours, and I have a clear view of my market value, which is between X and Y. The reason why I'm here is to ask you an increase in salary to Z. Can you help me with that request? Trick number 2, if you do a 3-hour task in an hour, don't report it to your boss because he will give you more works. Hey boss, I finished my work, here you are. Oh, I appreciate your work, but I have new files for you that you should submit. Instead, use those 2 hours to document your process and figure out how much money will the company save for that amount of time. For example, 10 people work in a company for £20 in each hour, and if you save 2 hours per day, that means... Yes! Trick number 3, always under-promise and over-deliver that you could impress your boss. By this way, you're able to multiply your chance to get a pay raise. Hey boss, here's the paperwork that you asked for. Wait a minute, you said this wasn't gonna be done till Friday, but it is only Wednesday. I know that you need it done urgently, so I took it home and work on it in the evening. Wow, that is great. I'm gonna give you a raise. Did you see what I did there? Don't forget, the key is to show that you don't need a raise, but you deserve it.